Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today I am going to revise chapter 7 exercise 10.4. In this exercise 10.4, in this exercise there are four types: 1 upon quadratic, integration 1 upon root quadratic. There are four types, and the third is linear upon root quadratic, and fourth is linear upon quadratic. Correct? There are four types in this exercise we discuss. Correct? Now, and there are six formulae. Now we solve some simple question which is related to this exercise. Question number 1 upon 9 minus x square. 1 upon 9 minus x square. Formula 1 upon a square minus x square dx. 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x. You can apply this formula in this question. Firstly, 9 is the square of 3. So therefore, 1 upon 2a. In this, when you compare with the original formula, the value of a is 3. That is log 3 plus x upon 3 minus x plus c. This is the question. Clear? Second question, integration x square upon x to the power 4 plus x square minus 2 dx. In this question, important question, in this question, put x square is equal to t. Can you put x square is equal to t? Put x square is equal to t. Therefore, t upon here t square plus t minus 2. Now it become the linear upon quadratic. You can say linear upon quadratic. Product 2 at difference 1, t plus 2 and t minus 1. And with the help of partial fraction also you can solve this question. Clear? Or you can solve like this: x square upon, directly factor you can solve, product 2 difference 1, that is x square plus 2 and x square minus 1. Direct you can solve. With the help of partial fraction you can write like this: x square plus 2 or x square minus 1. You can write a upon x square plus 2 and b upon x square minus 1. Correct? Or linear upon quadratic, linear upon quadratic, or you can solve like that. Or linear is equal to a derivative of quadratic plus b. You can solve a derivative of this 2t plus 1 plus b. When you multiply 2a t plus a plus b t, on comparing 2a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 2, and you know that a plus b is equal to 0, therefore b is minus 1 by 2. Clear? Therefore put the value of a and b in this equation. Clear? Therefore you can say t is equal to half 2t plus 1 minus 1 by 2, and put this value here in place of t. You can write. Correct? Okay. Further you can solve. Clear? The next question, third, 1 upon x upon root 32 minus x square. Integration 1 upon x upon root 1 minus 32 minus x square. In this question, let 32 minus x square is equal to t. Therefore, minus 2x dx is equal to dt. In place of x dx, you can write minus 1 by 2 root t dt. And the integration of 1 by root t, that is 2 root t plus c. This will cancel. The answer minus root t 32 minus x square plus c. Clear? This is question number third. Fourth, simple question, 1 upon integration x square minus 4x. Can you solve? Firstly, make it perfect square by adding you know that the coefficient of x is 4 and the half of 4 is 2 and the square of 2 is 4. Add and subtract 4. 1 upon root, this is perfect square, x minus 2 whole square minus 2 square. Now apply formula 1 upon x square minus a square. Formula, you know, log x minus 2 plus this root complete as it is. When you simplify this, the answer is x square minus 4x plus c. Correct? This is fourth question. And question number fifth, integration e to the power x upon root 5 minus 4 e to the power x minus e to the power 2x. In this question, we have to let e to the power x is equal to t. You know that e to the power x dx is also dt. Therefore, 1 upon root 5 minus 4t minus t square dt. 1 upon root 5 Make it perfect square by add and subtract. Add and subtract 4 minus 4t minus t square dt 1 upon, you know that 5 plus 4 9, 9 is the square of 3, and take common from last 3 term, it become perfect square, that is 2t plus 2 whole square, and this is the formula, you know very well, 1 upon square root of a square minus x square, that is sine inverse t plus 2 upon 3 plus c. Now put the value of t, you know, e to the power x plus 2 upon 3 plus c. Okay students, thank you.